have my newest thumb finger warmer mug with some hot tea because I'm ready to get cozy. Are you ready to get cozy? Let's do it. Hi beautiful people, my name is Kristen. Thank you so much for taking some time stopping by my channel. Today I do have a sponsored video in the sense that the company Cozy Bliss reached out and offered for me to choose a couple items off their website to be sent to me free of charge as long as I gave an honest review and shared with you. And they have generously offered to provide a discount code that's on top of really reasonable prices and sale prices that are on their website, all of which I will link below for you in the description. So here we go. I haven't opened what was sent to me beyond the outer box that it came in. So I ordered a blanket and some pillows. So this is the pillows. I'm going to set them aside for now. We're going to check out the blanket first, which actually comes in a box. So it's a big mystery, and I'm hoping it's not going to be difficult to open because I didn't bring a knife over. But it came quickly. Like, I asked for it to be sent regular mail because I was worried that maybe I would be out of town the next couple days, and it came quick. So these products, this blanket here, I know I kind of ordered the smaller sizes for my house. This blanket comes in two sizes, a 50 by 60 as well as a 60 by 80. Ooh, and it's nice and it's got some weight to it. So here it comes out of the box, and right away it feels very soft, very soft. It feels like a little baby lamb. And it does come in multiple colors. I'm gonna try to pop some pictures off of the website, but their website, they told me, is still being developed and new things being added to it all the time. So I will pull what I see, but there could be even updates with different or more goodness. Not hard to get the packaging off. So let's take a closer look. So here is the blanket. This color here was listed as green. You can see the green as well as kind of a mauve-y neutral brown with a cream. And then the inside is fuzzy Sherpa, and it's this is very soft. Let me see if I can get a little zoomy, a little closer in of stitching. It looks very well stitched. This has been made to be skin sensitive and be aware of allergies. It is, I think, one of the best things is, especially if you've got animals, because you may see my cat here in a minute, it is easy to machine wash on cold, tumble dry on low heat. So that is fantastic. Look how big this is. This is awesome. These are throw blankets. They're not meant to be your entire bedroom, but I think it could easily go across the bottom of your bed. We have a queen bed, so maybe I'll try to insert a picture. My bedspread will not match this. I bought this to go in my living room, but I can show you for reference, or maybe I'll put on the guest bed. I'll try to put a little reference for how this would look across a bed. But how about I do a quick fold of it, and then I will put it on the chair and we'll see what it looks like with that. So here we have it draped just thrown across the chair. And I love to sit in my chair with my tea and read. So this is perfect for my lifestyle. And probably we all have those times where we need to be a little cozy, right? So this is outstanding. This would make a great gift. This would be something that would bless somebody, particularly somebody who needed some extra cheer or encouragement, or maybe is struggling with loneliness or an illness. Just really, that is outstanding. So let me jump on to the next thing. And I am going to note up front that the pillows come just the cases, and I knew that. So please be advised, if you order their pillows, you need to order inserts separately, and you can get them multiple places online. I found a really good deal from just my local Walmart who delivers, and this is again the smallest pillow size, 16 by 16. They also come in the 18s and 20s. So let's open up. I can hardly wait to feel this. I mean, this feels amazing, and I can hardly wait to feel the pillows. So let's look. It's like rabbit fur. I'm gonna make sure my tea is completely out of the way. Rabbit fur. One of the nice features about the pillowcases, which are also machine washable, cold, tumble dry, low heat, but you can see the zippers to put the inserts in. You're not even gonna be able to see that zipper. So I may speed this up or edit it out, but basically you've got an opening all the way across, and you just take the little insert and pop it in and fluff it, and then carefully, so you don't get all the fur and tags, seal it back up, and look. Can you even see that? That looks really high end. Really high end. So, and look how nice with the blanket. Can you see? Yeah, I like that side, because see, I got a shorty little pillow, so this is lovely. Let us quickly assemble the other one. These are also made to specifically be anti-static. So in the winter time, if you're moving across it or it gets riled up a little, it's supposed to not create a lot of static. Or if you've got it on your hair, ooh, let's see. There's no, trust me, with my hair, if you did that, just saying, these are great. And you can even have a little differing look by having it be vertical or horizontal. Vertical, horizontal in the stripes. So I like that. I think this would be great. So again, multiple colors, multiple sizes that you can get this. You could even, change it up and get a set of small in one color and larger in another color, and it would just be fantastic. So I do have two chairs, so I'm gonna put this one in my neighboring chair, and now I've got my fuzzy pillow, I've got my fuzzy blanket, got my mug. It all matches great. It's like I planned it. My planned cozy Bliss retreat. First impressions, I haven't actually gotten a chance to use it or launder it yet, but my first impressions is this is seriously beautiful, soft, functional. It's going to be relatively, all things considered, very easy to maintain and clean. And I am just so thankful to Cozy Bliss for sending it to me. I do encourage you to go down, look around. I know they've got a couple of other products that are coming out soon that I'm interested in checking out. So honestly, I'm sold. Well done. I give it a thumbs up, good star rating, and I appreciate you stopping by. If you are interested in lifestyle and particularly kind of fashion and vlogs, then like, subscribe, hang around. I hope to see you again soon. You have a beautiful, blessed day. Take care.